Yeah, yeah.
How is it
Free
going, traders? Free
traders.
Pips here, and you know how I do it. Welcome to another session with Free Pips. In today's video, I'm just going to show you the trades that we took this week, the recap of the trades that we took. So this week we were able to catch some good trades, and that is what I'm about to demonstrate to you. So without wasting much time, let's go straight to the chat. But before we go, make sure you follow this account and join us on Telegram. The link is in the bio. And subscribe to this channel as well, wherever you are watching this from. Either you are watching this on my YouTube page or TikTok, Instagram. Yeah. So let's go straight to the chat. What is it? Yes. So GBP USD 1 hour chart, SL, take profit, and that was it. This is it. This was the buy trade on GBP USD. I shared it to the general Telegram. Now let me give you a quick breakdown on how I was able to spot this particular buy. It will be very fast, so just pay attention. Looking at the chart on GBP USD, I realized we are in a bullish trend. Price is bullish. This was a trend line liquidity market was supposed to take out, so this push is to take this trend line liquidity over here. Now I saw a way to take a continuation trade. Price came to mitigate this level, and then I targeted the last high over here, and price took out our entry and we started shooting to the upside. So we were able to smash about 1:8 risk to reward. Second entry was given on TikTok live. I saw that entry at a 5-minute time frame. It was a TikTok live that I gave the second entry. So the first push, we were floating in massive profit. Price reversed back to our entry level, and I know a lot of people were panicking that price was about to hit our SL. So when I came on TikTok live, I just saw this level and I marked it, and I took the second entry from here. Yeah, and I told everybody who was on the live that this is where price will be respecting, so they should jump on a buy here. So those who joined the live session and took this trade supposed to make money. Yeah, so that is it on on GBP USD. Now let's go ahead to AUD USD. You know, AUD USD is also in a bullish trend. It's in a bullish trend. Yeah, so this one was a personal trade, but then when price was around my entry level was when I shared the trade to the general Telegram. So you can see this is the trade in the general Telegram. Yeah, AUD USD. Yeah, where is it? Yeah, so where is it? Yeah, so AUD USD, this was the before of the trade. When I had executed the trade was the time I shared it to the general Telegram. So anybody who took the entry from here is supposed to make money, right? So that is it on AUD USD. So let's go to the chart and I'll demonstrate to you how I was able to spot that entry. I was able to get this particular trade. Now, since price is bullish, what you need to look for is a way to continue with the trend, a way to take buy continuation. So going to the 15 minutes time frame, we had this order block mitigation. Price gave us internal shifting structure, provided us an order block here. Market came to mitigate it, but during that mitigation, I wasn't on the chart, so I opened the chart and I realized this level has been mitigated already. So I had to find a way to join the buy. So I spotted an entry here, order block, waited for this pullback to come in, and then I jumped on the buy. Made about 1:8 risk to reward. Now, why did I target this level? Because the nearest drawn liquidity was this high. That price was supposed to take it out, right? So that was how come I targeted that high, and when price got there, it smashed us at full TP, yeah. So that is it on AUD USD. Now let's go to XAUSD. So these are the trades that we took this week, and it was so crazy and so good. We had a good trading week. Yeah. Now XAUSD, let me go to 5 minutes because most of the entries that I got on XAUSD were from the 5 minutes time frame. The first trade was this buy on gold. It was a personal trade. This buy was a personal trade at a 5 minutes time frame. Yeah, so I was able to spot this entry and then we took the trade. The before of the trade is in the Telegram channel. Let me show you the before of the XAUUSD trade. Let me show you the before of the XAUUSD trade. The buy on XAUUSD. The buy on XAUUSD. Where is this guy? Yeah, so this was the buy trade. This was the trade on XAUSD. Targeted this high, and then price smashed full TP. And right after that, I shared the sell here. This was the sell trade that I gave after my buy. So I shared the sell trade here. The entry was very simple. 5 minutes time frame inducement, because I had in mind a level that price was supposed to mitigate at the 1 hour time frame. So price was buying, and then I needed to find a way to join the buy. So I saw this inducement POI and then join up the buy. Now price got to the entry at the 1 hour time frame, and then I shared the sell trade instantly to the Telegram members. It was around 5 it was around 2 a.m. and then I shared that trade. Let me look for it in the channel. Yeah, it will be above here, to be at the top here. Yeah, so if you're not with us in the Telegram channel, just check the link in the bio. Join us over there. Let's trade together. Because if you get to the Telegram channel, you get to know the works that we've been doing in there, right? We have about 1,443 people active in the channel. So you have to know that we are doing some amazing stuff. So yeah, this was the trade. You can jump on the sell if you are active, manage risk. And the time was around it was 5 a.m. That is it. It was 5 a.m. 5:57 a.m. GMT. And then I took the buy trade on this particular XAUSD around 2 a.m. Yeah. So I was still awake to just make sure I catch the sell as well. So I share this one to everybody. Now let's go to the chart and then I will demonstrate how I was able to take the sell as well. Now if we go to 1 hour time frame, if we go to the 1 hour time frame, we realize that this was a strong key level here. This was a key level price needed to come and respect. This was my 1 hour time frame key level. Price rejected here, provided us this liquidity, and then price cleared the liquidity, and right there we had the entry from here, from that level that we marked. Yeah, let me go back to the 5 minutes time frame. So that is it on the XAUSD. This was a sell. This was a sell we had. It was so crazy. Now we wanted to take a buy from here, from this level here, but price gave us a sign of, teased us, right? We had that teaser here. So when price got to that level, we started buying and we jumped on the buy. Price returned back to our SL. That was cool. Yeah, so we smashed SL on this one. Now this buy was a live trade. It was a live trade. I was just finding a way to buy this market to come to this high, to come to this level. You see, I was finding a way to buy to come to this level. The first attempt I got hit on XL. I got SL smashed. Now the second attempt, we saw price mitigated this order block, gave us internal shifting structure, provided us an inducement order block, and then we targeted this high. This was the high. It was a TikTok live trade that I shared. Yeah, so if you miss out my live sessions, you miss out good quality trades. You get it. Yeah, so this was the 1:15 or something, and then we smashed full TP on that. Now there was this pullback, and then I saw another opportunity to join the buy because my target was not smashed yet. So then this one I shared it to the general Telegram. I shared this particular buy to the general Telegram. Let me show you real quick. Yeah, so that was this one. That was this particular buy. Yeah, this is it. So this was the buy I shared to the general Telegram to continue with the move. So if you are not with us over there, you are missing out. So this was the buy we had. Now right after that, I was taking a sell entry from this level. I took a sell entry from this level. You see, when price smashed our TP, we started seeing the rejection, and then we were floating in profit on the sell that we had. We had a sell here. We had a sell here, right? I shared that one to the general Telegram as well. And then right when price had moved into about how many pips? Hey, why are you not selecting? Yeah, when price had moved into about 150 pips, then we had to put stop loss to break even. Now there was this CPI news that came in to take us out at break even, smashed. I saw another opportunity to jump on a sell, so we took this sell also over here. We had another trade over here. You see, everything is in the Telegram channel. If you go there, you see it. We had this second trade, and we started moving massively in profit. Market started going in our favor right after the entry. We made about 380 pips. Now price had to take a turn to hit us at break even again. So these two entries we smashed full break evens. Yeah. So the next trade that I'll be waiting for is this one. I mean, if you watch this video, you're very fortunate. This will be the next trade that we will have. Yeah. And then we take a sell to the downside because price is reacting from a 4-hour time frame point of interest. So that is why we are still looking for sell opportunities on XAUSD. So this 4-hour time frame POI, that price has been mitigated. So we're just looking for sells. You get it? Yeah, so that is it on this week's trades that we took. Now let's go to BTC. I mean, there is one trade that I shared on BTC USD. Let's look at it together. So let's go to 15 minutes on BTC USD. I shared a live trade on BTC USD for everybody to take. This one, yeah, this is the trade, the live session trade. 1:1 is to, I mean, it was about 1:1 7 risks to reward. On this one, it was a live trade. This is the before of the trade in Telegram channel. This is the before of the trade in the Telegram channel that I shared this week. Yeah, this is it. This is it. On it was a live trade. You see, busy trade I shared on TikTok live stream yesterday evening. Let me see those who took the trade. Share screenshot of profit. Now, and this guy, you see the entry the person had said this profit and the likes. Yeah. So if you are not part of this family, just check the link in the bio and join us. Or you can equally go to Telegram, search at freepip_SFX, and then let's run the numbers together. We have about 1,443 members. So by the end of this month, we're supposed to hit about 5K, right? 5,000 people. All right, so these are the services Free Pips provide. First one is Inner Circle. Inner Circle is where you get the opportunity to copy my personal trades, where I give you trades breakdown. We share trades together. We trade everything that I would trade. I would just share it to you. So that is my Inner Circle. And the second service is monthly mentorship sessions, where I teach you my strategy I make use of. And lastly, account management. You can just reach out to me. My number is in the bio. And join me, and then we run this together. Now, if you want to join the general Telegram, the link is in the bio. Over there, I also share free trades. Yeah, I share free trades as well. So you can just send me a DM for any of the services I provide if you actually want us to do business together. You get it? Yeah. So follow this account, like this video, comment, and then share as well. Let this video reach about 1,000 people, minimum of 1,000 people, right? One person to 1,000. You get it? Share it to 1,000 people. Yeah. See you in the Telegram group. Free Pips signing out.